Good morning, Justin. This is Maggie, reporting live on May 19, 2020. Why did the bicycle fall over? It was too tired. Today is a high of 68 and a low of 53. It's a good day to go outside and play. Today's Justin birthdays are Emily and Miles. Happy birthday! Today is National Devil's Food Cake Day. You might be able to convince your parents to give you a delicious treat. I hope you and your families are staying safe. This is Maggie saying I hope you have a terrific Tuesday.
Here's a Minecraft joke for you. What's the difference between Stephen and an archaeologist? An archaeologist actually likes it when he finds a skeleton underground.
A homemade lava lamp. First, you're gonna wanna have some water. And then you're gonna have oil. Notice how the oil and water separate from each other. And then you're gonna have your favorite color. I picked pink because pink's obviously my favorite color. And then you're gonna put this tab. I don't really know what it is. It's Alka-Seltzer.
Don't mix it.
It all separates.
Mm-hmm.
And it's starting to bubble. It's golden. It's golden on top.
Oil's golden. Pretty cool.
Bye. Everybody, it's me, Aubrey. I miss you. Today, I'm going to be sharing what I've been doing this past couple weeks. I have 6 chickens, and I have 4 yellow ones and 2 brown ones. Their names are Emily, Bambi, Ashley, Ellis, Daisy, and Bertha. And, yeah. They need to have food and water. They need a heat lamp to keep them warm. They're about 4 weeks old, and yeah, moving on to what kind of chickens they are. They are, the 2 brown ones are Bantam, and 4 yellow ones are Orpington, and yeah, and they're so cute. This one's really calm over there. This one is Ashley. She's really calm. Over here is Bambi, and they like to perch. So we put a couple sticks in there and a rock. And they're very messy. As you can see, they spilled some food. And they always, when they're in their box over here, they always spill the food over. And yeah, so Thank you for watching. Bye.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I decide
On this day,
to live the
Habits.
in every way,
Be proactive.
Begin with the end in mind.
And always remember,
to be kind,
put first things first.
think win-win too.
I can do this.
All day through.
Seek first to understand, then to be understood.
That will help us
Synergize.
It will feel so good.
Sharpen the saw.
A little every day.
I'll live the habits
In my own way.